Hello friends, welcome. You are watching Life After CCIE blog, and today we are discussing resources I have used to clear my CCIE in the first attempt. If you're talking, then I used three types of the resources like printed books, e-books and the videos. I'm not saying that I have been reading page by page for all of the books, but most of all, I have to read a specific topic from a book. As an example, I was working on the OSPF, then I took two or three books to collect all the required topics to study and practice to make your own style. So it's my advice that make your own style, don't follow any other person's style, because that will be helpful for you. I want to make sure that I never created flashcard or heavy notes for myself. This is my belief that if you want to review a topic, review the book you have already met. So it will help you to understand some missing topics as well, as because I'm an average student and my preparation was also according to it. Follow your own style, that's my guide. And if you would like to work on the flashcard, then you can work. But I never. Why I never worked on that one? Because I know if I will read one chapter in 1 day or 2 days, for me it's not possible to keep remember all thing, every words or every highlights. I need to go through the same books 2 to 3 times, then I can do it. The mostly how I was doing is that I was reading a chapter or working on that one in the first week of the month, then I will make the repeat preparation or read again or repeat again on the same workbook on the second or the third week of a month. So it was helpful me to revise the chapters which I have finished 7 days before, so I will not forget the some of the things, and it will help you to remember in a long time. So let me show you a few printed books from my collections. My collection for the Encore is, the Encore is the 350-401 exam, and the CCNP Enterprises Advanced Routing exam is the 300-410 exam. So I will show you, this is my book for the CCNP. And for the Encore books, I have used a few other books I used as the 30 days before your CCNP and CCIE Enterprises exam. That is the ebook, Bridging the Gap Between the CCNP and the CCIE. This is the ebook, and this book is also help me to prepare for my CCIE lab, because this is completely based on your lab preparation and understand the topics as well as. And this book also helped me to in advanced routing exam. And apart from them, I used the other official Cert guide, that the CCNP CCNP Enterprises Advanced Routing and NRC, that the 300-410 exam. I used the ebook. This is for the first 60% of the topic. For the SD-WAN, a few books and the workbooks are provided from my training institute too. So if you will look at here, I will show you some of the books which is provided from my training institute. For this one is this, and then the one workbook too as well as. So this is also, if you will look at this book, is also seems like some workbook. I'm not sure, can you see it's properly or not, but yeah, this seems to be a workbook too. So it's helped me a lot for the SD-WAN preparation, and as well as I used the Cisco software-defined wide area networks, design, deploying, and secure your next generation WAN with the Cisco SD-WAN book. Its name is too big, but here I can show you. I have the one book. It's not the this book I didn't get in the printed one, so my institute provided a photocopy for that one. And this also some added topic, not only that books, I also added some other topics as well. As I perform that one for the DNA preparation. If you're asking to me, then I used a printed book, that is the intent-based networking, that the Cisco digital network architecture, intent-based networking for the enterprises. First few chapters on this book will help you to understand the requirement, why the digital networking is required in the upcoming future or the today's, and based on that one they described a lot of the things. So I think it will be very helpful for you as well. As the other books I used is the ebook is the Cisco software defined networking. So I will mention all of the books names in the description as well, as so you can copy from there. So but don't ask to send any of the ebook or the email. This is not a good. Apart from these books, I used some other books. According to me, it was very helpful for me, and I can show you some old. You will be surprised to see this book, that the old CCNP T-shirt book, and not from this one as well, as I also used from the old CCNP is switching book, the switch exam book. Apart from them, from old CCIE, I used this one is the CCIE routing and switching version 5. I have the both volume 1. This is the volume 2, and you can see here I also have the volume 1 for the same book, CCIE routing and switching version 5. But my advice is also to read that books if you are preparing for the CCIE. It will be very helpful for you to understand the first 60% of the topics. I would also advise you to reading blogs and Cisco websites on per topic basis. So one thing is that I didn't mention in that books. What about my automation preparations? Actually, before I started my CCIE training, I completed my network automation including Python for the network engineer training. So the topics was almost done, and I was also watching some automation videos on the YouTube. Udemy is also good resources. Also, I was reading Cisco blogs and the Cisco website for that one. The third resources I was talking about the videos. So what about the videos? Which videos I used? So in fact, I have subscribed or collected some series of the videos from INE or some other authors boot camps, and our trainings videos were also provided by my training institute too. That was really helpful for me. So books or the printed ebooks was costly for me. So what I found a good solution for that one, and a secret way to reading all ebooks in just $99 a year. Otherwise, if you will go to purchase one book, the one book cost would be between $40 to $50. So I subscribed. Actually, if you will go to the learning.acme.org, this is the non-profit organization, and if you will subscribe that as a student, then you will be get the many advantages is that you will get the orally as the free book, you will get the skill sets portal for a freeware, and some many more portals as well as. and this membership is just for the $99 per year as a student, and you can see the screenshot as well, as I hope so, and I will be share that link in the description as well as. So let me know, would you like these videos or not? Thank you for watching, and I hope it's helpful. Thank you, and wish you a healthy life and good learning. Best of luck.